Welcome back. Today we're diving into the 3D scanner. You've seen this tool in our past videos, and today we'll show you exactly how to use it. This 3D scanner integrates with AXI 3D engraving. It begins by capturing the object's exact XYZ coordinates in real time, turning the physical part into a digital point cloud. AXI's depth mapping analyzes these contours and calculates the focal shifts. The Galvo system uses dynamic focusing to adjust the focal length in real time. This synchronizes the focal point with the object's surface, ensuring distortion-free engraving. Now, let's scan this bear and turn it into an engraving-ready file. Step 1. Place object. Put your object on the turntable. Adjust until the software shows excellent and no red areas appear. Step 2. Scan. Click Scan to start. Step 3. Crop model. After scanning, use the crop tool to remove the turntable. Leave a small border, then click Process. Step 4. Set reference plane. Pick 3 points on a key surface to define your engraving or work plane. Step 5. Export and use. Generate your STL file. Import it into EM-Smart or other software to begin your project. Okay, now the entire file is ready to go. Let's go ahead and engrave it to see how it looks. The laser follows exactly the cloud mapping on the stone sculpture and precisely traces details across different height levels. Precise mapping, precise engraving, that is exactly what we want, and I believe you are looking for the same thing. Now, let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Place the sample and initiate scanning. Step 2. Crop out the unnecessary portions. Step 3. Establish a reference plane to generate your 3D model. Happy New Year to you guys again. We hope you're starting strong. At the same time, we're planning a new session on how to use AXI to boost your business. If this sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our Discord. We'll be sharing tutorials and resources there. And yes, we're on Kickstarter now! Go check out the page. You already know AXI pretty well. If you're interested, just follow the page and you'll get notified when we officially go live.